So I got a 2013 Honda Civic. I have two codes reading. First one is P0497. Second one is P145C. And those codes actually read evaporator system purge flow and evap canister purge flow. So went to AutoZone, they didn't have the part in stock. So what I'm doing, got some carburetor throttle body cleaner. Came over here, took it out, cleaned it a little bit, see if it'll work. If not, I'll get the part tomorrow when they have it in stock. I'll put that back in there. I also got these valve, PCV valve. It goes over here in the back. Can't see it. It goes right there on the bottom. I'll be replacing that one too. I know the engine's kind of dirty. I'll be doing a cleanup later. So yeah, I'm gonna try that to see if it clear the coats. If not, I'll get the part from the dealer or AutoZone if they have it back in stock. Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2. Okay, in the first video, the beginning of the video, I went ahead and cleaned this one. This is the EGR valve. Went ahead, took it out right here. Just took it out, cleaned it with a throttle body carburetor cleaner. Went ahead and changed the PCV valve. That's the part number from AutoZone. That one goes over here in the back. You can see it is brand new. And after a day drove in the car, the code went out, and I already had purchased the part from AutoZone, the one that I needed, and that was this part right here, the purge valve, and that's the part number from AutoZone. And that one, see right here, brand new, haven't put it on yet. That one goes right over here where the throttle body's at. The back, you can barely see it. I still got the stock one in there. So that part right there was, I believe, $29.99. So yeah, purchased the part. Day after I purchased it, the check engine light went out. So I don't have a check engine light right now. And that's the part number from Honda. You try to buy it from them, they were out of stock. They said they're going to take about a month and a half to get it. And there you see where the throttle body is at, and the part, the purge valve goes. There it goes again. So the check engine light went out without me putting the part on. I just cleaned the EGR valve and the PVC valve. So I'm gonna wait to see if the check engine light comes back on. Probably put this one. Got it already. Like I said, it was $29.99. So thanks for watching. Hope helps you out. You get those codes. And in my next video, I'll probably be putting I'll be putting this Canon air filter. See if it works or not. I need to replace it though. So went ahead and cleaned the engine also. Washed it down. Looks a little bit better than it used to. Thanks. If you have any questions, let me know.